Welcome to today's Money Boards. You know, over the years, a lot of people have asked me, how are you guys different? You know, what do you guys do differently at your firm? What are your advisors? How are we different than the next financial advisor or broker or insurance agent that exists out there today? So I thought what I would do is categorically share with you and teach you like the three basic categories of advisors that exist and hopefully help you better determine which one might be a best fit for you. You know, we've been talking about risks today. We're going to be talking about some important tax stuff coming up here after the Money Board, but let's talk about advisors for a second. Types of advisors. Number one, there's a product provider. Okay, so what is a product provider? So these are people who really just focus on selling product rather than maybe a plan. Some examples, potentially Fidelity, E-Trade, Vanguard. You're going to get their product 9 out of 10 times, whether it's the best product or not. Nothing against all these companies. Bottom line is, it's a good fit for maybe some of the do-it-yourselfers, and determining suitability and feasibility for their strategy or their product is up to you. It's also your responsibility to build a comprehensive plan. Now, when you look at cost, this is probably going to be your lowest cost of all the types of advisors. The next type of advisor is going to be an investment advisor. Now, whether they owe a fiduciary responsibility to you or not, an investment advisor simply focuses on managing money. They don't necessarily always focus on a comprehensive plan. So, as I say, they focus on managing money. They may or may not have that fiduciary responsibility. Middle of the road cost usually when it comes to that point. But the bottom line is they can provide value to you. All of these advisors can provide value as long as you understand who is responsible for what. Okay, so a product provider, you're responsible for a comprehensive plan. In most cases, an investment advisor, you're responsible for a comprehensive plan. And then the third type of advisor that exists, and this is where the world we live in here at W.A. Smith Financial Group, this is the holistic planner, the holistic financial advisor. So what does that mean? It just simply means we're going to cover all aspects of the areas. We talked about 7 risks on the show today. Okay? Holistic planners are going to look at all the risks that face you throughout your retirement. So they can help you develop a comprehensive plan. You know, this is all we talk about on the show. You need to have a plan before you have a product. You have a product first, you're getting the cart in front of the horse. All right, next is they're going to focus on the risks you will face, as I said, versus just selling product or just managing money. We're going to focus on risks. Then the next thing is, I want to say we typically cost more. That's not always the case. But, you know, obviously if we're doing a professional tax plan, there's a cost for a professional tax plan. So what I've always told everyone is, don't focus on cost at first. Focus on comprehensive and then compare costs. So when you give me a call, we're going to help you build a plan. And it's going to be in 5 areas: income, investment, tax, healthcare, estate, and then if you own a business, business solution succession planning. It's called our 5-star retirement. And it starts with that first step, which is give me a call and get the Retirement Tune-Up Financial Review. What it is an analysis of where you stand, how you can improve, if we can help you. If you want to be helped, that's probably more important. Just give me a call, 800-878-6223 to get a hold of it. It's the first step. 1 hour or less can go a long way in the next 20, 30 years. Or simply visit me online, wasmithfinancial.com.